Hi, everybody. Welcome to week 4. So I just want to check in with you all, make sure you're all doing all right. I know you had to turn in your research journal. It was due yesterday. If you haven't had a chance to turn that in or you're still kind of working with it, that's okay. There's a 2-day grace period attached to everything that's due in our class. So if you turn it in by Tuesday, that's fine with me. So I wanted to just give you a heads up or give you some information about what's coming for week 4. We're going to be focusing on, the title is Mastering the Secondary Literature. Mastering maybe, that might be too ambitious of a term because I don't know if you could ever really master a whole set of secondary literature, especially in, just 4 weeks. But I wanted to get us to think about, fully sort of understanding the historiographical intervention that you're going to be making. So understanding what people have said about your topic in the past to understand where your intervention is going to be for your thesis. So I don't have that much, for us to do this week besides doing the readings. So we're going to be reading a historiographical review essay about the history of slavery, and we'll read one example of that history in the very short introduction to Stephanie Smallwood's book, Saltwater Slavery. So I want you to just use this review essay as a sort of thinking about the ways in which Vincent Brown sort of situates the entire study of slavery, the different sort of categories he puts different books into, really sort of critiquing the way he's constructing this essay, not necessarily the critiques that he's making or the arguments he's making about the books, unless you're interested in that topic, but just sort of the structure of the essay itself and whether or not you find it helpful for the way that he's sort of set it up. And then just keep working on your research journals. I am going to be giving you feedback based on the stuff that you turned into me either Sunday or, Monday, Tuesday. And I will be responding through Canvas. I'm really looking forward to checking in and seeing how you guys are doing, what you've developed so far, and getting a chance to give you some personal feedback about that. So that's pretty much it for week 4. Hope you all are doing well. Take care of yourselves. I know next week, week 5, is going to be a little bit of a challenge just because we have the election coming up. So really try to get some sleep. That's all I have to say about that. All right. I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.